I would like to point out one passage in the gospel that I think should teach us about avoiding hate and anger. Jesus teaches his disciples that God causes the sun to rise on the bad and the good. God makes rain to fall on the just and the unjust. It means, my dear brothers and sisters, that God loves us not because we deserve it, but God loves us because we are in need of it. So let us not think that we are more deserving than others. Because if you start thinking that you are more deserving than others, then hate and anger sets in yourself. And when we start thinking that we are not even better or more deserving than others, then it will be the start of cultivating love and forgiveness, even for our enemies.